Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinoy Life in Italy. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Can you see that, guys? It was the gift of my sweetheart for me. Okay. My old cell phone, guys, it was this one, Samsung Galaxy 8, and this one is Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. And then I really never thought that this is for me. When we arrived home, he gave it to me. So that's it. So we have to go have our unboxing. Okay, guys. Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. Wow, very nice, guys. You see that? Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. Well, of course, what is this inside? Oh, here's the pin that so that we can open the SIM card, and then the memory card. This is the pin that we're gonna use. This one also is the Samsung Galaxy Plus 9 Plus. Wow, I really like the color, gold color, guys. They have a double photo camera at the front, and then at the back, and then the front is okay. We have to oh, I am very thankful that somebody gave me this one, guys. Oh my gosh, it's very nice, guys. Okay, and then there's a lot of things that I have to study this one, because there's a lot of features that we have to learn. I don't know what are the trick and tricks of this. Of course, there are. This is a to convert.
Type-C.
Okay, guys, I don't know what are the things. And then this is and then also they have the wire as usual. I don't know what is this. This is for the earphone, and this is the earphone, guys. That's it. Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. Okay, thank you. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pinoy Life in Italy. Bye.